What's good, YouTube? Finally, I have another video for you guys today. Well, not today, but whenever I decide to upload it. So I know I've been lacking content, so I want to get it going, kind of, So today I'm going to be doing the sanding on the car again and taking it all apart, taking all the panels off so I can keep sanding the metal. I'm almost done with the 150 grit, so I'm pretty sure today I'll be able to move on to the 400, or 220 I should say. And it's pretty much just, I'm filming it for you guys out there that want to save some money and paint your own car. I'm just going based off of what friends have been telling me and pretty much what others have been suggesting me to do. So that's what I'm pretty much doing, and hopefully you guys go ahead and try and do it yourselves and save some money, because I know it's tough out there. So alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start the car. Yeah, it's always a bitch getting in here. Gotta take care of your dashes, boys. But yeah, anyway, and here we go. Take it out of gear. See if this shit starts. Whoop. Yes, sir. Oh. It's the E85, boys. So the safe thing to do would be to wait till this gets up to like maybe 70, 75-ish. It's in Celsius, so it won't be cold. But since this motor is gonna get built anyway for R34, we don't give a fuck, so we're just gonna send it. Put the window down, maybe you guys can hear a little better. Yes, sir, working windows. Jesus, I need somebody to film this. I guess we'll leave it there for now. Alright, so I'll say this again real quick. The only reason I'm doing this is because I don't really have any other content to post, so I figured it's a good idea to post the process of it getting painted or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do, and hopefully our motor is almost done getting built with Rival, so that was a pretty good update. So hopefully that gets done soon so we can get to better content like drifting and all that bullshit, fucking around in the streets. But for now, this will do. Oh yeah, real quick, man, speaking, let me flip my camera real quick. So speaking of Rival real quick, shout out to Rival. You already know, always repping. This dude's always taking care of me, so that's it. Shout out to Rival, man. Alright, the car's a little too much in the sun, so I'm just gonna move it real quick. That's a little more in the shade. I don't want to be fucking frying myself, so I guess I'll just let you guys see. Alright, so now that the car wash is done, I'm gonna start taking off all the fenders, all the aero, and that way nothing gets in the way for like when I'm sanding down the metal stuff. So I'm gonna take a video of that just because. And then I came inside real quick to get something to drink because I'm thirsty as shit. So might as well. I don't want to drink water because he drinks water. Here we go. Yes, sir. All right, so let's go back outside and start taking it apart. Alright, so the car's fully taken apart now. No mirrors, no overs, no side skirts, no bumpers. I'll leave the hood on just because I don't want this sucker to get dirty. But yep, it's all good. So I can get to these right here. And these little edges. Slide it down. Just gotta do this door already. A pretty fat dent here, so I gotta see what I'm gonna do about that. But get here. Ready. Alright, so I've been sanding for about 2 hours and just hit it with a rag, but this is kind of what you want to get. Look, this looks a little different, but it's because of the rag, but it's getting there. I mean, it's almost done. Probably one more pass. Those aren't the scratches, they're just the rag. But you want to go on a diagonal pattern, that's what they told me. So I mean, areas like this and stuff, and like right there where the over fenders and all that's gonna cover, it's plain. Oh wait. Anyways, so like areas right here where all the fenders and all that's gonna cover, I'm hitting it by hand just so it's faster. I don't really care. Doesn't have to be even for me, at least. Areas like right here, down here, all by hand, just so it's faster. Right here in the door jambs too. Who cares? But yeah, it's pretty much done. Probably gonna move on to the next grit in like the next half hour, so I can start hitting it over here. This side's completely done, and then maybe 2-3 days if I don't work again, probably be sanding all the aero, which is over there, and then primer. what's up, guys? So yesterday, I ran out of daylight, so stopped the video right there. But I did get to the 220 grit, and I'll make another video about that specific grit and maybe the next grit, which would be 320. I think so. I think it is. But yeah, so I'll just leave it at that for now. You get the idea, and then I'll keep you guys updated with how it goes. I'll probably be sanding down maybe today. I don't know. I'm a little tired from yesterday. My hand hurts. But hopefully you guys like this video. I'll be sure to try and stay a little more focused and get some more content out there for you guys. And just like, comment, subscribe, let your guys buddies know, and bring them to the channel. I got a lot more stuff coming, so let's get it.